than yesterday. Now it's nothing but my way, my loneliness. What's up, Gigi fam? Grub Girls are back. Thanks for tuning in.
If it's your first time here, welcome to the family.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop us a like, and hit that notification bell so you guys know every time we drop a new video. I see you see the hat.
You know what time it is.
You know what time it is when that hat's here. It's time for another spicy challenge. And just in time, I know it's a little early, but you know, some people have been celebrating the fall and Halloween's coming up.
I mean, with pumpkin, here we are celebrating with spice.
We are doing a little spice. And with Halloween comes witchcraft and magicians. And I feel like a little magical tonight, sweet.
Okay.
Do you believe I have magical powers?
If you say so.
Well, you guys want it? I think I can do it. I have to channel my inner strength. Don't laugh. Take this serious. All right, guys. I think I'm going to have my one wish. Hocus pocus. Let's get in focus. You're back!
Bitch, why did you bring me here? What are we doing?
Well, guys, it's a spicy challenge.
Here, Glow.
And we dragged her back from the dead.
I swear I was just in PJs, like...
We dragged her back from the dead, guys. And she is here because we can't do this one without her. It is time for the spicy one chip challenge.
Girls! You didn't warn me.
Sorry.
Look what it says.
What does it say?
Guys! Oh my god.
What does it say? I don't know what
You're
next.
Oh, shoot.
So,
What's up, guys?
The big surprise is Glow's here.
Shoot.
Come a little closer, Glow. All right, there we go. She's here for a spicy one. Now, you guys, I asked how many, but, you know, it wasn't easy to get this.
Damn you, Paqui. Stop coming out with these damn chips.
So what we're going to do is to welcome Glow back. She is going to do one chip challenge 2021.
Woo! Shoot. Do I believe it?
Sweet is going to do a one chip challenge 2021.
Ooh!
And I, being that I have two boobs, will be doing two boxes.
Oh my god.
We only have one boob.
I guess they only have one boob.
Wow. Is she team spicy now? Is she spicy now?
I don't know, guys. I don't know. But let's get to the challenge. We don't want to waste your time. Let's open these boxes up. What they said here is made with Carolina Reaper and Scorpion pepper. Scorpion peppers. It's like the huge, guys. This time I think it's a black chip. They're just getting real themey with it. Will we destroy it?
Woo!
I don't know.
I really would like Paqui to stop coming out with these damn one chips. Because every time they come out with it, every time, here goes salty.
Oh my god.
Guys, I wanted to order like 50, but just kidding. No, I didn't. But we ordered 4 because we had some discrepancies with Paqui, but we're not going to get into that.
Well,
we're here. We won't get into details.
I've already heard about some of
but we are ready to face the Reaper. And the rules are clear. It's the rules every year. Eat the whole chip. Wait as long as possible before drinking. And then that's it. And there are levels, as usual. So we will wait the 5 minutes. That's our goal.
Who decided 5 minutes?
I decided it. And you may not hold your title until you get the 5 minutes.
3 minutes.
No. At 5 minutes, I will eat my second chip. and wait while they enjoy their ice cream and drinks or whatever.
Guys, I can't disappoint you. I gotta come through. You know, I haven't been doing these spicy challenges with the girls, as obviously you guys know. So I'm pretty nervous. I'm not gonna front. I've been honestly.
Did you make prayers?
Well, shit, I didn't even know it was
She's
gonna
gonna-
be here.
I think we
came in
scooped her up
for,
from her Netflix and chill session.
That's exactly what I was doing, guys. Like, I was not prepared to do any spicy challenges tonight.
You sure look good when you're chilling on the bed.
Girl, this was all you.
Oh, that was my magical
That was
power?
your magic.
Oh, okay.
I will say this. Yes, I'm doing the spicy chip, guys, but the one thing, chocolate and spicy,
She
never.
won't do any-
That I will never ever
So it's
fuck
never
with.
good when you mix sweet and spicy?
No, not for me.
Guess that's why she married Salty. Sweet and salty do pretty good together.
I think I'd be good with salty.
I mean, guys, I'm only one person.
No glove, no love. We need these gloves, baby.
As always, guys, use protection. We don't need more tortilla chips running around, baby tortilla chips running around.
What the hell?
Glove up. All right, you have our timer for the first 5 minutes.
First 5 minutes.
My
what do you
phone's
mean?
like-
Because I'm eating too.
Oh,
You'll be
so
fine.
you're gonna do 10 minutes.
I'm gonna hold it for 10, baby. That's the new year. I'm gonna not drink anything for 10 minutes.
What?
I'm crazy.
Guys, I want to watch Mare of Easttown tonight.
Guys, Netflix, Clickbait, and HBO Max, Mayor of Easttown, great shows.
So
Y'all gonna-
good.
All right, they didn't come here for recommendations.
Yeah.
They came here for the Paqui
Why
one
is
chip.
this-
But do watch it.
What's happening here?
The residue. Oh my gosh! Don't touch that.
It's
Why
not
is that-
open.
I don't know.
Why is
Here,
that
I'll
happening?
take it if you question it.
No.
Then let's go.
Oh my god, guys.
You already opened it?
No.
Oh.
It's
Oh,
just-
she has residue too.
Yeah.
All right,
You don't got this?
here we go. I didn't look. I already opened mine.
Ah!
Oh my
I'm already-
gosh.
It's coming out.
She's
Coming out.
already a choking.
I'm choking.
She's the choking. All right. Oh God, it
Exactly.
stinks. This effing
Oh.
stinks.
Oh, fuck. This chip is huge.
That's what she said.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Yeah, this
Mama.
chip got bigger.
Damn,
Ooh.
Paqui.
And thicker.
It's not about
Why
the
would you
size.
smell it?
Oh, it stinks so
Oh
bad.
my God, it stinks.
I'm scared.
Oh my gosh,
I
it
always get so
stinks.
scared with these stupid
Oh my
challenges.
God. Okay. All right, ready, guys? You gotta eat it all. You have the timer ready.
Have
Wait,
the
wait,
timer
wait.
ready.
I gotta break mine because
Yeah, I gotta bring it too.
it's not gonna fit in my mouth, and it's just gonna
I
get all
think I
over my
can
lips.
fit it in my
It's
mouth.
gonna get all over my lips, and it's gonna burn like hell.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm gonna chomp it up, use my teeth, even though Glow said it's not really good to
Oh
use teeth.
God, this is bad.
It is bad.
Oh,
Honestly.
Can we not? Can we not?
it stinks.
Gosh, I'm sure you smelled worse.
No.
Oh, well, thank you.
This is not a laughing matter.
All right, ready, guys? Cheers. Oh, y'all broke it? All right, have the timer ready. I'm not joking with you.
Hold
I got
on.
10
Yo,
minutes.
guys,
My
look
phone
at
is
my
on-
these fingers though. This
Go.
is
You might need a backup timer because
You just turn it off and we're good. You got 5 minutes. All right, ready?
You got it?
We got it.
Alright.
Here's to 2021, guys. Who's ready for 2022?
so
Guys, I love you.
All right, cheers, guys.
Oh my god, guys.
Go. You're not putting that whole thing in your mouth, are you?
Am I not?
Oh, I don't know what you're doing. Cheers.
Ah!
Stop. I don't want it on my lip. Oh, effing touch my lip. I'm done
Me too.
with the timer, ho. That was a hot one. Hey, stop it. Oh shit, I got hiccups immediately. Can I have a napkin? Oh. Okay, thanks. Oh. Oh. Oh, immediate sweat. Oh, I'm wet. That's hot. It's like doing levels of hot. It was really hot. Cooled off for like a semi-second. Now it's burning like hell.
My tongue is on fire.
Uh-huh.
Channel my inner self. Ow. You are strong. You are stronger. I'm channeling Brittany, guys. Stronger than yesterday. Now it's nothing but my way. My loneliness. Oh, Lord. I got another trip to do, guys. I don't know if I could do it. Oh, Lord.
My throat is on fire now.
Is that you thumping? Oh, I thought it was Yogi. Oh my God. Is that helping you?
No. My belly.
Already?
Ooh, I feel it.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God, I feel it in my belly. Okay, it's gonna sound like you poured in a second.
I'm back. Woo!
It's on my back, yo. Oh my God. Oh. 2 minutes left.
Oh, yes. My hands are numb. My hands are shaking. How about you?
It's in my tummy. There's numbness. Burning.
Oh,
Lord.
oh my God. I forgot how this felt. I feel like
I'm cramping already.
A bunch of ants are crawling all over my hands.
In your hands? Give me another napkin, please. Oh my God.
Oh my God, I've got it all over my face too.
Oh, my tummy hurts. I got the cramps. And you know it. Jesus. They have less than a minute.
Yes. Yes, baby, yes. Thank you, Lord.
Oh, hell. You might need to get me like a trash bag. What do you want? Oh my God. It hurts. I'm cramping. Oh my God. What would Brittany do?
Yes, almost there, guys. Oh. Whoa. How much more time? Yes.
Yeah. I'm going for number 2.
Oh, cheers. Cheers, sweet. I'm drinking a coconut smoothie. Oh, no.
Shit. Oh, Lord, those are hot. Oh, Lord. Cheers, guys. Timer, get ready.
Wait. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, Jesus, Lord. Oh, my. Oh, yeah.
I'm done. Wait.
You done?
Hold on. I'm in a bag.
You done?
I'm having a hard time. Get me a bag in case I'm not feeling it. Oh, Lord. Oh, God, guys. I think I'm gonna vomit. Oh, God. I need a bag!
She's coming.
Oh, I can swallow it, guys. Oh. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I couldn't do it. Not a second one, I'm sorry. I tried. Oh my God, no, that was worse than any of them. Oh my God, it's a vomit fest in the Grub Gross house.
When you can, Crix, may I have a napkin, please?
I'm sorry, guys.
Thank you.
It's coming out. Give me a napkin. Oh. Well,
guys, that was no joke. So,
I tried a second, guys.
You outdid yourself. You, mad props to you, Salty.
I don't like the flavor. I didn't like the flavor of this.
Oh my God. I felt the vomit coming, guys.
Honestly, they just keep getting worse and worse.
I've never vomited on camera. I'm sorry. I don't know.
You still did it.
I did the first one for sure.
Yeah.
That second one, everything wanted to come out. Heat 101. I don't know how y'all did 6.
I don't like the flavor of Carolina
Oh
Reaper,
my God.
That's disgusting. And did they make the... Okay, miss. Speak.
You can have this now.
Sorry.
They made the chip thicker too.
Super thick.
And bigger.
And big.
Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up because I think I gotta do damage control now.
She's gotta go to the toilet.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe if you're not already subscribed.
Comment below if you've had this.
We appreciate
Good job, ladies. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you guys next time.
Stay safe.
Hit the like button. We love you. Bye,
Share and
guys.
subscribe. Thank
Bye,
you.
everyone.